dance through the highways, and on we'll go.
Welcome back to my channel, dolls. It's Deandra Renee, and today I am here to do a few wig reviews for you guys. I am so excited. I was contacted by a company known as Heraremy, and they asked me to review 4 of their wigs. So today I am here to do that. So I am breaking all of the wig reviews up into individual reviews, as well as posting a wig lookbook that contains all 4 wigs for you guys. So if you want to see all 4 wigs at one time without a detailed review, then make sure you check out that wig lookbook. But if you guys are interested in the individual reviews of these wigs, then make sure you tune into all of these videos. So first I will be reviewing a wig known as Shanti. Now this is a lace wig. They have really nice packaging. All of the 4 wigs did come in their individual box, and it is a human hair blend. It's 18 inches and it is in a curly style wig. Now there is a 13x4 coverage, so this is kind of like a frontal lace front type of wig. It is ear to ear parting, so you can part the wig anywhere, and it does come with combs. It comes with 2 combs on the back of the lace and 1 comb in the back, as well as a little lace in the back, and it comes with adjustable straps. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off in the back because I won't be able to see that once it goes on my head. So I'm just going to cut that off and then I'll try it on for you guys.
No. Hey.
Always cute for that beat again.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call on, no matter what it is. Will you tell me I'll be here till the end? If you let me, these other girls don't give a damn about you. It's not you they see, but the things you do, and they can tell you anything you wanna hear, sending pictures with their clothes off. But I hope you don't forget that they don't love you like I do. They can't put it down like I do. They won't ever care like I do. Go through the worst to hold you down like I do. Yeah, they don't love you like I do. They won't ever ride like I do. They don't give a damn about you, and they will never love you like I do. See us doing great, we're engaged, posting pictures, looking good. You're taking me on shopping sprees, telling me I'm your everything. Meanwhile, she's at home all alone, and she's watching, wanting everything you feel with me. But she don't know all the things that we've been through. Yeah, she see you do, she see you like I do. You right for me, boy, you know that I got you. Love of my life, boy, I finally found you.
Oh my god, you guys, so y'all see this unit? I am speechless. Like, oh my god, this is my favorite wig of Heraremy. This is the Shanti wig. This is the shut 'em down wig, you guys. I am loving these curls. Oh my god, they are so beautiful. This wig is so full, it's so bouncy, it's got so much life to it. It just took me from like a 2 to like a 20. Okay, this wig is so bomb. Like, if you are looking for a curly unit, this is the wig, girl. Search no more. You have found it. Go get this wig. Thank me later. You have to have this wig. You have to add this wig to your collection. Like, it's a must-have. And this wig is only $30. Like, did y'all see how effortless it was to slay this unit? Like, it is killer all on its own. Like, you don't have to do much to this unit. all I did was add a little bit of foundation to my parting, and it already came with baby hairs. So all I had to do was gel them down, swoop them up, wham bam, thank you ma'am. Okay, so girl, do y'all see, do you see this unit, girl? You need this unit. I love all of their wigs, but this wig I am taking back. Like, I was not expecting this wig to be this bomb. I don't even think the camera can do it as much justice as like it should be given. This wig is so bomb. Like, even in person, this wig is bomb. Like, it just looks good. I can't say anything bad about this wig. The curls are beautiful. It's just, girl, get this wig. Now, I am experiencing a little bit of shedding that may be coming from the lace that I cut. And I am expecting slight tangling if I am parting the unit, just because this is curly hair. So that is expected. But as far as like running my hands through the unit, I'm not really getting a lot of tangling. I get a little bit of tangling when some of the curls are entangled, when some of the curls are wrapped around each other. But again, it is curly hair, so that is expected. But I am loving this unit, you guys. So I'm going to show you what the lace looks like up close. So here is the lace up close. It's so bomb, you guys. So you can just add a little bit of foundation to the lace, and voila, y'all saw that? It just disappeared while sitting on my head. Like, y'all saw that? It literally just disappeared. It just vanishes. So I will say, you guys, if you are going to wear this as the lace front that it is, you will need to secure it with the Got To Be glue, because it does come up. So you will need to secure this wig with lace glue or something of the sort if you do want to wear the edges out. But if you don't really care, then you can just plop it on your head. But I would recommend securing this wig with the Got To Be or the lace glue. But for me, girl, I don't need all of that. I just need this. That's all I need. I don't have to secure with Got To Be glued. Like, this is enough for me. Nobody gonna be pulling on this. It's just for show. So I don't need the Got To Be glued. But if you do want to wear the full lace, then yes, I would recommend securing your wig down. I kind of want to play with this unit to see how versatile it is, to see what type of partings I can get out of this, because this is a lace front and a 13x4. So you do have the option of making a part anywhere. So I'm just gonna play with this wig, and yeah.
No. Hey.
Always cute for that beat again.
When everything's going wrong, you feel all alone. Let me be the one that you call.
I hope you guys like this unit. If you have not checked out my lookbook, make sure you check out my lookbook featuring all of the units that I did receive from Heraremy. Their website is maingang.com. I will leave all of their information down below if you guys are interested in this unit or any of the other 3 units that I have reviewed for this company. Make sure you check those videos out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are interested in my makeup look, make sure you shoot over to my Instagram and check out my tutorial. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one.
Posting pictures looking good, you're taking me on shopping sprees, telling